guys, Theresa here. Have you seen that new feature called Stitch on TikTok? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use it, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for social media, and if you enjoy these types of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So a quick explanation of what Stitch is that you can use someone else's video and change the ending of it, meaning that you can add yourself to the video. So let me show you what it looks like. So let's jump straight into the app. Now that you're in it, select a video that you want to add yourself into. So I've got one here. So what you need to do is hit onto that arrow button, select Stitch. You can adjust the beginning and adjust where you want to start recording yourself in. So I can see myself there, and then I'll record myself. So the minimum you have to record yourself is 3 seconds. Okay, let's see what it looks like now. I don't know what happened to the audio, but you kind of get the sense of what it does. And then you can hit next, add your caption and post. I don't know what happened to the audio, but it won't cut out when you do it. I think because I'm screen recording, it's gonna be all funny on me. Oh, the other thing I want to mention also is that each month I would like to connect with you guys on a deeper level, and what I want to do is that I want to contact one of you guys and help you out with your social media. So if you have any questions regarding how to use like Instagram or TikTok, I'm here for you. So all you need to do is you need to put a sun emoji in the comment section, and once a month I will select one person and give them a ring. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. But that's all from me for now, and I'll see you on the next one.